Hello my dear children, welcome back to my channel. This is Vidya Prabhu, your math teacher here. Today's section is about class 10 NCERT chapter number 4 quadratic equation. The concept is to analyze the nature of the roots. We know that the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we are going to analyze the nature of the roots. That is nothing but how the zeros of x will be. By finding the value of discriminant, that is d equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. If the discriminant d, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, if it is a positive integer, then there exist two distinct real roots. If d equal to 0, then the roots will be two equal real roots. If the discriminant value is less than 0, then no real roots. So we are going to analyze the nature of the roots for the given quadratic equation. We know the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. We know a the coefficient of x square, b the coefficient of x, and c the constant term. By finding the discriminant value, that is d equal to b square minus 4ac. If this particular value is greater than 0, if it is a positive integer, then there exist two distinct real roots, which means that we'll be having two different values of x. If the discriminant value is equal to 0, then there exist two equal real roots. If the discriminant is less than 0, if it is negative, we could not find real roots. So it comes under no real roots. So based on this, we have exercise number 4.3. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.